I work for Betsi in North Wales. I'm a teacher by background and I now work with the DECLO team for additional learning needs. I've only worked for the Health Board for 4 years, having made a career change, and so I wanted to develop my skills in the new area of work that I'm working in. So that the digital skills for business apprenticeship that I did was a lovely way for me to sort of develop in the business side of work rather than the teaching side. So the teaching and the additional learning needs side of work that I do, I'm very familiar with. It was quite comfortable, but the business side was a little bit newer to me, so it was a lovely way of me staying in work, keeping doing what I'm doing and enjoying, but building on the skills. If you're thinking about starting to do an apprenticeship, my advice would be just go for it. It can feel a bit daunting, I think, at the start. I know I was a bit nervous, especially if it's been a long time since you've done any learning. For some of us are a little bit more mature, perhaps, but just go for it. The tutors, my tutor Joy, so supportive, and the beauty of the apprenticeship is you can take your time, you're guided through each of the different modules, you can take it slowly, you've got a lot of support. It's a one-to-one learning. I mean, where else do you get that level of support?